Hi everybody, this is Ceramic85 and today I'm putting in this steering stabilizer. It comes with this stabilizing bar that's being put in between your frame and the sway bar. Then here the bearing with this ring, those two bolts that'll be holding the bearing on the frame. And also there's this extended nut which replaces the existing nut on the gearbox. First of all, I'm taking off the sway bar, which you can see right here. Goes from one side to the other. It's bolted to the frame with 4 bolts right here. 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. I took them all out and just secured it with 1 bolt so it's not coming down. Here you can see the steering gearbox, and at the bottom there's the pitman arm. Now I will take off this bolt at the bottom of the pitman arm and the washer. It's gonna fall off anyways. Good thing we don't have to take off the pitman arm, because that usually is a pain in the ass. Well, this is what came off. The nut, we don't need the nut anymore, but we will still be needing this washer, so keep the washer. This is how it looks like now. Pitman arm should hold right up there. Now I'm taking this extension nut that comes with the steering stabilizer kit. I'm putting on the washer, and then I'll put this nut on there. Now I'm tightening down this nut really good. It's kind of hard to hold up the sway bar while putting the piece of frame between the sway bar and the frame of the truck. It makes it a little easier to place something that holds up the sway bar while you putting the frame in between it. Now the sway bar comes down. Putting the frame in. The sway bar back up. Now I'm taking all 4 bolts that come with the kit to hold the piece of frame, and this is how it looks like now. This is the sway bar, and in between the frame and the sway bar sits the steering stabilizer frame, or whatever it's called. And now I'm putting all the four bolts right in here. Cool. Before tightening up all the 4 bolts that are holding the frame for the steering stabilizer, I watched out that this extended bolt is in the middle of the existing hole. Now I'm taking this bearing that came with the stabilizer kit, and I'm sliding it on the extending bolt. Now I can secure the bearing with those 2 bolts that are included in the kit. Now I'm tightening up the bolts real good. Now this is the ring that's going on here. I will spin it around until it locks, and then there's this tiny little screw that goes into the ring right there to hold it. This little screw is used to attach the ring to the extender bolt. Tighten it up just a little bit, not too much. That's it. That's it. The gearbox stabilizer is installed. Thank you for watching. This is Jeramic85 signing out.